Synthetic who? Synthetic where? Synthetic how? Like, girl, don't argue with me. You better argue with your mother, cause what's up? Hey guys, it's your girl Tiana, and today is my first ever YouTube video. I've been taking a while to make this channel, but Mama Rona was like, you know what, it is your chance, so I decided to take it. So today for my first video, I decided to do a 2-in-1 for you guys because I don't got no cute little fit on right now, so it's just gonna be a 2-in-1. I did a purple look using the Morphe 35V palette, and I installed this beautiful, lovely, luscious synthetic unit. Yes, you heard right. I said synthetic. You see that? You see? Hello? Hello? Girl, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me this wig was $60. Let's just get into the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. I just hope you join the family and come along with this ride that I'm about to take you, because you're gonna be like, wow, I really could look like a baddie on a budget. Alright guys, so today I'm bringing to you a Synthetica. So we have Bobbi Boss glueless lace wig, and it has HD lace. Hopefully it's actually HD, because you know she's a Synthetica. But there it is 360 lace. It has a 13x4 parting space. I'm more of a 13x6 because I got a big ass head. But you know what? We're gonna make it do what it do. It is pre-plucked. And it has an adjustable elastic band on the inside. I have her in the style MLF 412. Her name is Camille, and I got her in the color 1B. She is a curly unit. She is cute. She's long. This is stock car. Oh, fuck. Hey, ma'am. Okay, I got stuff. Ah! Girl. Okay, anyways. This is the stock card. She comes in different colors, but they don't list it on this one. But yeah. Oh, let me take her out the net. She's cute. She kind of look like that crochet pattern. Oh god, I used to rock the hell out of that in the beginning of college. But oh my god, look, you see them baby hairs? Oh, baby. If you get this wig, please, I beg. Let's do something. Push them back. Do something. Do not walk out the house looking like this. But, yeah, let me stop wasting time and style this unit. Okay, sis. So, boom. Right here, I'm going to show you guys how to cut off the 360 lace off of this wig. I'm starting by making a small incision between the lace that connects the front and the back, and then I'm going to start off by cutting off the back, because if I start off with the front, girl, if you mess up, it's case for that wig. So I'd rather you start off with the back, do a little trial and error, learn what to do and what not to do, and then do the proper technique with the front. Yeah, these baby hairs, girl, got to go. So right here, I just decided to comb back the baby hairs instead of like plucking them. And then after I comb them back, I'm gonna apply heat to them with my curling wand so I could train the hair to go backwards. And yeah. As a disclaimer, do not put your curling wand on the highest temperature because if you don't have time or the coin to replace this wig ASAP, you will be SOL. So right here, I'm showing you how to cut off the lace in the front. I'm doing a jagged type of motion so I could mimic a natural hairline, because if you just cut straight across, girl, your hairline is going to look real wiggish, and we don't want that. So right here, I'm taking my Fit Me pressed powder in the color 360 Mocha and just spreading it all over the lace. However, that didn't do the job, and you're gonna see why.
Whoa. Oh, what? Huh? Oh, give me a second. Whoa. What the hell?
I'm trying to figure out if it's the camera. What the hell? Yeah, we're gonna put some foundation on her. With my beauty blender, I'm just gonna take the Access liquid foundation that's at the top of the bottle and just spread it across the lace till I get the desired color that I need. So after adding the foundation, I finally got the lace to match my skin tone, because girl, I was not walking around looking like that. But now we could get into laying down this wig. I'm going to start off by cleaning the areas where I'm going to spray the Got To Be Free spray. You have to remove all the oils because the spray will like turn white, and you don't want that. Like all that work that we just did, no. So right here, I'm just going to spray the Got To Be Free spray before my hairline, which is where the lace is going to lay down. Then I'm going to put my blow dryer on the cool setting and dry the areas where I just sprayed until the glue is nice and tacky. And then I'm going to put the lace on top of it and let that bad boy melt into my skin. Honestly, I don't know what the hell possessed me to try to do baby hairs on camera. All the props to you if you could do this in your sleep, but you will not catch me again until I have fully practiced. But I mean, I'm fine with the 3 little swoops that came out of it, but yeah, that was literally the hardest thing ever. By this point, I was over trying to make some baby hair, so I was just like, you know what, forget it, let's just tie this bad boy down and get into the face already, because it was about to be 1 o'clock in the morning. I went ahead and did my brows off camera just to save some time. So right here, I'm concealing my eyelids with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just prepping it before I do the eyeshadow. After blending the concealer out and adding tape on the outer corners of my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35V palette, and the first color I'm gonna use is called Bad Boy. On top of Bad Boy, I decided to go in with the color called Heat because the eye was looking real dark and I just wanted to warm it up a little bit because I don't like that dark kind of look. You know what I'm talking about? So the third color I used was the black shade in the palette. I decided to put it on the outer V just to give the eye a bit of a dimension, and like right here I feel like this is where the eye was coming together a little bit, you know. Now it's time for the fun part. It's time to cut that crease, baby. This is when you know like you're halfway done with the eye look. But right here I'm using the same concealer that I use on my brow, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now that I'm done cutting that crease, I'm going to go back into the palette and pick up that purple shimmery color. It's called Crush, and I'm going to put it all over the areas that I put the concealer. This is looking a little, I don't know. Hopefully this liner and these lashes saves this look because I'm not doing it over. So now I'm just going to add some eyeliner and some lashes so I could bring the whole eye look together. Because honestly, I really wasn't feeling it because I've never done purple. So it was something new for me. But you know, you got to try new things in life. I decided to finish up the rest of my face. All the products that I use will be listed down below in case you were wondering. But your girl was low on time and had to get this thing done.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, now it's time to get back into this hair. I took off the silk that tied down my lace. And girl, that thing is a melted, but she's looking a little light skinned. So I took some of my bronzer and decided to tint the lace so it could be a little bit more closer to my skin tone. This is the hair. She's not that long. She comes to my waist, my hip, whatever. But she's not that long. She's very lightweight. People are probably like, oh my god, that's a lot of hair. But me, I'm extra. I like hair, like, girl. Yeah, my cap's real light. So in that part, I'm going to put, powder or foundation, concealer, whatever. Instead of powder, I decided to go in with a little bit of concealer just to give that scalp some color because she looking real light on camera, but I swear after I put the concealer, it just came together. Then I added some black mascara just to fix up any mistakes that I made. When I started doing that, the part started to look smaller and more natural because she was looking real gappy before. But right here, the wig just started to come together and oh my god. To define my part even more, I added some Care wax stick and then I added some heat using my curling wand. When you use heat, it basically trains the hair to stay put, but I kind of burned myself during this part and I kind of burned the wig, but she all good. Like on the wand, I guess it was picking up the mascara color and it kind of scared me, but it's okay. I saved her and she good and she breathing. Okay, so this is the finished product. You can leave her in her natural state. You can cut her, you can comb her out, whatever the hell you need to do. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse on her. Just a little bit. I don't know why, but I'm doing it. I guess I want to give it a little shine because she kind of looked real. She looked kind of real, y'all. Oh yeah, when you put that mousse, Ooh. Okay, Bobbi Boss.
Purchase your tracks today.
Oh yeah, she's cute. Synthetic wear. Oh wait. Give me a second. Yo, Bobbi Boss did their thing with this wig. Oh my god. But you could do a lot. You can comb her out. You could keep her like this. You could cut her. Whatever. You could flip her to the other side. You could do middle part. You could do updo. So, the choice is yours. But I wanted to do a side part on my right side. Wow. It might look like your left, but whatever. It's my right side right now. Wow, just